going to be an 8-year-old double registered AQHA and APHA gelding. He is by Spook's Got a Whiz. He's been trained as a reiner. He's been shown as a low-level reiner and as a ranch horse, and he's even been shown in hunter under saddle. He is the definition of a golden retriever in a horse body. He's sweet, he's friendly, he's your puppy dog. You're looking for a pet, a best friend. This is going to be him. He's been owned and trained for 4 years by the trainer in our program. So we're going to offer a special 2-week money back guarantee on this horse. If you're interested in how that works, give us a call and we can tell you about it. We stand behind him. We know this horse, 4 years of history. He's going to be the same horse every time you pull him out, and he's going to be your best friend. He knows a few tricks. He's going to lay down. He'll slide past to a mounting block. You want a non-pro horse you can keep at home and show in the lower level reining and ranch classes. This guy will fit that.
Okay, this horse, first time I see him, first time I ride him, real pretty horse. Everything is clean, beautiful color. He is not a cutting horse, but he is sure enough nice, super gentle, super curious. First thing I've seen him, I called him Curious George. Super curious, really friendly, gentle, and it was really funny how curious he is, how looking at the cows and how interest he showed. But this is sure enough a nice and gentle horse.